Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Radha and very happy Diwali for those who are celebrating. And today I'm here to tell you all the benefits that I am getting from Amazon while working with them. A lot of you have been asking me this already, and I'm also ready for my Diwali because today I'm also working overtime. So after finishing my shift, I'm gonna go have some fun outside. So before that, I will like to tell you all the benefits that I am getting from Amazon, and I am really appreciating them. So I've decided to let you all know about it. So let's start today's video. Let's start with overtime since that's what I'm doing here. So overtime, Amazon pays very well for the overtime. Actually, they kind of pay double of what you are getting for per day. For example, if you are getting 50 rupees per day, you will be getting double for that day, the day you will do overtime. So it will be like 100 rupees per day. So I really appreciate that because it really gives boost to my salary when I do even one overtime in 1 month. Another one is the week off. The week off are very attractive. I really like it because I get 2 days week off. It doesn't matter what day it is because I'm not much of a Saturday Sunday person, so it is fine with me. It is always a rotational week off. I've already told you. Sometimes it is for me like sometimes it is a boon for me because I can go to bank and get my work done because this is on the weekday week off. So yeah, 2 days week off is a lot. That's what I really appreciate about it. Third one is night shift allowance, and the night shift allowance in the job is very good. It really does give extra support to my salary, but there are some regulation with them. Like for example, if you do a shift that goes 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. and onwards, then only you will be getting your night shift allowance. So sometimes I'm also not getting them, so but it is fine as long as sometimes I do get them. Work pressure in Amazon. I have seen other jobs and I have looked them closely, and I've seen even if you are on your week off, you will have a lot of pressure to go through. Like for example, आपको जब आप काम नहीं भी कर रहे होते, जब आप ऑन ड्यूटी नहीं भी होते हैं, तो भी आपको बहुत सारे काम जो हैं करने पड़ते हैं. बट विद Amazon there is nothing like that. Once you log in into your system, you work. Once you don't work. It is as simple as that. So I really like the burden that I don't have in Amazon, and that is why I am working till this late. It even applies on overtime. There are business requirements that we are asked to do overtime, but if we don't want to do, we are not pressurized to do so. And then there comes the salary part. On time salary is the best thing because I always get on time salary. I'm very happy, like first in the month, and I'm getting online salary. And as per salary, I have not given a giveaway yet, so I am planning to do that as soon as possible. Just give me some time. So you'll be getting 2 giveaways coming in your way because this month's salary and the coming month's salary, I'll be doing giveaway very soon. In the end, it is about food coupons. That's also I'm being asked, like where I'm using my food coupons. I do have a lot of options to use it. Mostly I use it on Zomato, Swiggy and Domino's. But apart from that, I'm also using it to get groceries. I can use it on Big Basket and various other stores. You can check out with yours. So these were my favorite thing to work with Amazon. Also, one of the most important thing is that internal job posting. I have been recently getting a lot of job posting. I'm also applying for some of them, and this is a very great part that you don't have to go to the only customer service background. You can go to any other background. Amazon doesn't discriminate on what job you are currently working with them right now. So internal job posting is also great. They mail you a position is available, do you want to apply or not. So this is actually a very good part for me working with Amazon. These are one of my favorite parts to working with Amazon. I would love to learn about yours, and I'm also shifting to North America because my India sale is almost over. It went very well. Amazon gave us all a lot of offers to win some gifts by doing overtime. We had the competitions like desk decoration competition, singing competition, dancing competition. It was very good. The sale went really well, and now we are heading forward for the America sale, and we are really excited for that. So let us know what is your favorite part while working with Amazon. And that's it for today. Please have a very safe Diwali. Take care. Bye bye.